Привет, друзья! Your Russian teacher Alicia is here. Today we are talking about Russian idioms, about work and effort. Phrases that will make your Russian sound more natural and show you how Russians think about work. Let's start with the classic. Без труда не вытащишь и рыбку из пруда. Без труда не вытащишь и рыбку из пруда. Без труда не вытащишь и рыбку из пруда. Literally, you can't pull a fish out of a pond without effort. This means that nothing comes easy. You have to work for it. For example, I want to pass the Russian exam, but I know I need to study every day. Без труда не вытащишь и рыбку из пруда. Another one is терпение и труд все перетрут. Терпение и труд все перетрут. Терпение и труд все перетрут. Patience and hard work will grind everything down. It's like saying if you work hard and stay patient, you can overcome any obstacle. For example, I've been practicing my Russian pronunciation for months, and finally it's improving. Терпение и труд все перетрут. A fun one about effort and luck is работа не волк, в лес не убежит. Работа не волк, в лес не убежит. Работа не волк, в лес не убежит. Work is not a wolf, it won't run into the forest. This is often said to calm someone down who is rushing. Work will wait. Don't worry about finishing everything today. Работа не волк, в лес не убежит. Let's put them together in a little story. Imagine you are learning Russian. You wake up early to practice, but it's hard at first. Без труда не вытащишь и рыбку из пруда. Every day you repeat words and exercises, remembering that терпение и труд все перетрут. Sometimes you feel overwhelmed, but your teacher smiles and says, работа не волк, в лес не убежит. So you take a deep breath and keep going, and slowly you start to get better. Your task for today? Write a sentence in the comments below using one of these idioms, maybe about work, studying Russian, or achieving a goal. And try using two idioms together like in our story. I'll check them and give feedback. Пока-пока. До свидания.